Hi guys, good evening. Right. So, if you are reading the newspaper article, you will get to one important topic, right? CAG report table in Lok Sabha and the Hindu article. I cannot post whole the post because there might be a issue of copyright, right? From the Hindu publication. So, what the CAG? You already know the CAG has authority to audit public sector companies. Okay, which is partially or fully means what controlled by government of India, right? So these are the company are BSNL, CTAC, Department of Post, ITI Limited, CTAC, right? It's your homework to find out the CTAC, right? So actually, I believe it is related with the ISRO, right? I am not exact confirm, but I think it is related with ISRO. It's the organization, I think, marketing department maybe. So okay, what the thing it's all about? The any government, public sector company or ministry has to procure its equipment, IT solutions, right? Even the IT solutions, okay, from a open bid. There are two scenario in it. Look at this. If the ministry want it and the producing company producing X, okay, X is the name of product, and this is the only company producing, right? In India, this is the only company which are producing X in a perfect design or perfect requirement. If this is the single company, then there is a use of a strategic alliance, means the department, the directorate, or the public sector company will directly buy from this company, right? But the second scenario, if these I need X product, right? X means this is the perfect, I maybe IT solution, services, or any equipment or material, right? But there are many companies manufacturing it, right? Many company manufacturing it. So what will do? There should be an open bid, right? There should be an open bids. Okay. So that is called General Financial Rule 2005. And even if you are using anything, either is open bid or you are using a strategic alliance, there have must take proprietary article certificate. Like every company has to take permission, right? And every department has to take that one. It is the certificate which ensure that has the pure required product or services, right? You got it. But what exactly happened? CAG analysis its report say they for CAG found analogies in these all companies because there are so many company producing X product, right? In a very good quality matter, but still these use a strategic alliance. Okay, that is the biggest fault. Even without getting proprietary article certificate, right? Have you got all the things? Great. If you didn't understand, kindly listen twice, right? Have a great day, guys. Please follow me on Telegram, right? Or please share and subscribe this channel. That's particularly motivate me.